Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Now in this video today, I'm really excited. I'm announcing an open invite, and this is for the 4th of July tieredtray collaboration. This is being hosted by At Penny's Place and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. It's going to be July 1st at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the hashtag and the rules are down below. I cannot wait to see you there. Let's have some fun, guys. Okay, so what I did mention down below is that you do have to link the host channel in the description box, and you should mention the host in your video. And remember, you have to use YouTube etiquette, and that is linked below, and of course have fun. And if you're not already subscribed to the host channel, make sure and subscribe.